Like and comment down. And we're doing fidget spinner contest.
Yeah.
And vote who is better. Use your that one. Don't show it.
Alright. They saw a
And
little
vote. You wanna vote for him? No,
vote for me.
Sit.
You can clearly
Sit
see
down.
me.
Sit down. For you can see better, just sit down. Alright. So vote who's better, but when we finish our challenge, vote who's better.
Yeah.
And you vote for him. His name will be the Savage.
21 Savage ago.
No, Savage fidget spinner. The Savage fidget spinner, and you won't vote for me. I'd be the Savage boss fidget spinner.
No, my name is gonna be Noah.
Alright, fine. Noah and Savage Beast fidget spinner.
Yeah.
Alright, use the first one and vote. Alright, so I go first actually. No, you go first. Go.
So this is my fidget spinner. It's a glow in the dark fidget spinner.
But get closer.
This is my fidget spinner. Okay.
Not
This
that
is my
close.
fidget spinner. And I can turn into two types of fidget spinner.
No, you can't. He's
Mine.
See,
Done.
you didn't change it.
Yeah,
It just
yeah,
takes the cap off. I
know.
can do that.
But it glows in the dark. You're
But
able to
it
take off
re-
the burns really easy.
It really doesn't work though.
Yeah, it does glow in the dark. It has to be really dark though.
Yeah, we
And
did it. We did it.
I know, but it wasn't really dark. It was like this.
super dark, and it didn't work.
Yeah, because you have to put it towards the light. I just found that out. I looked at
Yeah, and
my-
he did it, and it didn't work. So
No? And mine makes the moon.
it didn't work.
It makes Venus and
So
the moon.
mine makes a moon.
Mine makes Venus and the moon. Beat that.
Mine makes better. It doesn't make the moon and the.
Mine makes Venus.
Alright, no, it didn't. But here's
Alright,
mine.
Chase, try your second worst.
I showed you this before, but I go show you again. Mine is green and red and blue, and it spins really long. See, you can see the colors and all that. And I can do good tricks. And
Really? I still need to put my ballot.
Alright, ready?
Voila!
Well, I need to do something. Alright,
Chase, you made me move.
ready? It's hard though.
No.
I did before. It went like all the way to here. Oh, you can't do this. So stop laughing.
About what?
You can't do nothing.
Okay, that's video.
Yeah, that's all. See? 3 times.
I said the teeth time.
3 times.
Oh gosh, Diablo. Oh, that hurt.
Alright, our next one.
Wait, well, I didn't do my tricks.
I
gotta
do your
do. Hold on. I
He
don't
can't
have
do
any-
tricks. Yeah,
I
he
don't-
can't do it.
I don't have any tricks that I
I
do
got-
at all. I just do
yeah.
multiple.
He
weird
got
stuff.
his before I did, and
Yeah.
I do better than him now.
I know
somehow.
because this is new.
No, the other ones you used to
this.
have.
Oh, yeah.
And you got before us. Alright, show our next one now.
Yeah.
Everybody can
look at
do
this.
that.
Huh. Alright, yeah, everyone can.
Oh, you did not saw that, but alright, you go.
Blue
No,
back.
actually, I go first this one because you went first. My turn. Alright, mine is the gold one. It's really cool and it lasts for a long time, and it's really
this
heavy.
one's-
And this is very heavy. Watch.
It's not heavy at all. It
Yes,
weighs like
it is.
less than a pound.
No, it's
Why not?
way power. Move your
No, it
hand.
doesn't,
I'm trying
guys.
to do
I'm
something.
telling the truth. It does not
It
weigh
does.
anything.
It does. I check it before I did it.
It doesn't
It
weigh
weighs
on
power. More we just say it weighs more. And the gold one,
No, it
it
doesn't weigh
shows
at
the
all.
moon. You can see the moon right there.
No.
And it weighs a lot. You see
No.
that? I did it before I checked. I did check, and this could go really
Did you
fast.
check it online or on a scale?
No, line. Let's go. It weighs more than a pound.
I can't. Ow!
Okay.
Look at my eyes.
So my trick already, so I think I did. It's same trick, so I don't need to show again. And look at his.
No crap, man.
Alright.
That's it. Showcase mine. Showcase mine.
Why?
I can't see it all.
Alright.
Ah.
Here's his, and he has to rip it
Actually,
off.
but
And I see rip off because somehow you want to do it, and you need glue.
he's photoshopping that.
And some reason he take it off, so But you can still spin it well. You can still spin it well.
Yeah, and it looks really cool. Better than gold.
No, all gold. Look at see. This is hid. It's green.
That smells gold.
Why did it stop? It stopped. Quick. See, it's green. What?
You made it stop. Watch.
Oh, I actually keep sliding it. Look at, see that? I keep sliding it.
Fidget. Oh, shit.
Alright, so vote for the first one.
Vote
Hit
for me.
Noah, or vote for me on the second one, or vote for him on the second one, or vote for me the first one. Just vote who, and
Yeah, vote for me because you hit me in the eye.
wait, what?
I said vote
Alright, what's up, guys? We're gonna play a box one. No, 360, I mean. And we're gonna play a game, but I don't know when.
Don't.
Yes.
I'm out.
Hey, it's no money in there.
Pow, pow, pow. I got $20 at home. Oh yeah, Chase, remember we were gonna do the fidget spinner versus the play, remember? Yeah, I was trying to type in my username from my audio. Holy smokes, look like a fish, but I already hit it. Alright, let's go. Fidget spinner versus
Wait, do
play.
this. Playing this one.
Wait, I gotta spin it super fast. And it go. Ooh.
No, look, I show you.
It made a crack.
Let me see. I show you how you do it.
Hi.
I
This is how you do it. I'll get the camera and I'll turn off the video.
What the? What?
Yeah, you wanted to change.
Don't say.
What?
Ooh, I forgot about that. That's an old thing. Nothing. I said this is an old thing on my notebook. It's stuff in this notebook. Oh, I just passed one.
You just make pictures?
Yes.